So out here on the Kikuyu this morning, as I said to you guys, first project I'm going to be doing on this place. So what I want to do to start out is give this thing a mow, because I need to tidy up all the leaves that are all over it. And believe it or not, this Kikuyu is actually still green because we don't get as much frost where we are here because the elevation is a little bit lower than it is in the middle of town. So this thing will kick out of dormancy a little bit quicker, so I want to get on top of it. So going to mow today with a push mower, so that's all I've got. See if we can find any other jobs to do while we're at it. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Alright, so I'm going to use this bush ranger today because this is the only push mower I've got that's got a catcher on it. I have got the Big Bob, my Scout machine, but that thing hasn't got a catcher, it only discharges out the side. Now I don't mind this mower. The only downside I would say is you need to start it with a key because it's got a battery, and I am a shocker, as we all know, when it comes to battery gear. I hope this starts. I'll take it down there. I'm not going to try to start up here because if it's got one go, it's not worth the risk starting up here. Man, I hope this starts. Please. Oh. No. I mean, give me something. This is the issue with these things, man. They don't even have a pull start. If you can design a mower with a battery, at least have a backup pull start on it. Alright, now I've got to go find my battery charger for this, which I don't know where it is. We just moved house. And I think they're in some other boxes up the road. Come on. Right, let's see if we can get it first box. What's in here? Not what I want. Get that out of the way. What have we got in this mystery box? Shout out to Liam. That's from Liam. I don't think so. Please let it be in here. Haha, yes. I've got no power in the shed yet. There is actually old power in there, but it needs to be fixed up. It shouldn't be too hard to do, hopefully. So let's just use some of the outdoor power on the granny flat. So this will be an Airbnb, probably in the next, we're going to try to get it done the next month, so it should be available soon enough. I'll let you guys know when it is available, so you guys are welcome to stay. We'll give that 15 minutes and then we'll go give that a mow. What is anything else I can do while I'm waiting? Right. While we're waiting, I might pick some weeds out of these garden beds. Now, there's a couple of broadleaf weeds in here. Bit of a mess. No, it's not actually that bad at all. They must have done it before they left. But there is some Kikuyu along some of the edges up there, which I wonder if it's gone under the path and popped up around the other side, which is a very high chance it has, because Kikuyu is just ridiculous. I've also got this little weed puller from Hoselink, which I used ages ago at my old house, and I thought maybe I could pull some weeds out in the Kikuyu today just to see how it works, if it leaves much of a mess, because a lot of guys do ask about these products just here, so we'll give it a go, see if I can figure out how to use it again. Anyway, let's do it. Man, there was some grass in there. Now that's why I used to call Kikuyu a weed, is because it gets in your garden beds like crazy, and it can go like half a metre down under the soil, then come back up into your garden beds, even if you've got a big barrier there. Like, stuff is ridiculous. But yeah, I got it out. There's quite a bit there, more than I actually expected there to be. So we'll pick it up, and then I reckon that battery may be charged, but what we'll do is we'll just try those weed pullers on a weed somewhere in this lawn, maybe 1 or 2 weeds, and just see how it works. But let's pick this stuff up, chuck it over there somewhere. Good thing about having big properties, you can just chuck stuff somewhere, like there's so much space. Anyway, let's do that, keep going. Alright, so this is from Hoselink. This product here, it's like one of those Fiskars pullers, I guess, same sort of thing. let's shove her in. Make sure you find the center of the weed. Is that right? Well, I've got a chunk of it. How do you go? Look at that.
That's not nice.
That was like perfect. There we go. If you actually get the center of the weed, it actually works really, really well. Pull that out. Left a big gaping hole though, as you could expect. So with Kikuyu, luckily you could just put some soil there or some sand, and that would fill back in super quickly. If you had some ryegrass or something, that's why I never use this on my ryegrass lawn, because it leaves big holes in your lawn. Especially when you've got big thistles like that, which you shouldn't really be letting your thistles get to that if you're mowing your lawn regularly. So yeah. Woohoo! You know what, not bad. It actually gets all the way down to the bottom of the root, which is a huge positive with it. As I said though, it just makes a big gaping hole in your turf, which is the problem, but very easy to pull out weeds. Probably great for garden beds when you've got those really hard weeds to get in your lawn. You need a grass that's going to repair itself to use this tool, I reckon. Well, that only took I think it took me about 45 minutes to do all those weeds. 45 minutes to charge that up. Can you see that? 4 lights. Oh yeah. So, just going to mow it, get the leaves off, get the onion grass down. Onion grass, man, it is going to be something really hard to deal with. I'll figure something out. I'll have a think about it and see what I can figure out. Anyway, let's mow it, see how much we get off, and see how much tidier it looks afterwards as well. Also, just quickly before we start mowing, just wanted to give the guys a shout out at Work Locker here in town in Orange. Just want to say thanks to them. They supplied me with some FXD pants, FXD boots, jumper, some socks, all that sort of stuff. Just a local business here in town, so I'll chuck the website up on the screen there, just Work Locker. And yeah, just want to say thanks for supporting me, guys. Appreciate it. Out of fuel. Loving this. let's go get the fuel, man. I definitely need a bigger mower. This is crazy. Alright, so when I was walking away to get the fuel, the camera fell over. My camera landed on my lens and my lens broke. So I've currently got Angus's lens here. Thanks so much, Angus, for letting me borrow this. Just went downtown to put my lens down in the camera shop, so I was getting fixed. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Anyway, let's put some fuel in this, let's finish it off, and I think we'll call it a day after that. Alright, that is all done. I tell you what, man, it feels like a lot of a bigger job than at my old house. I guess that the grass isn't level. There was a lot of leaves in there, which makes a big difference. Yeah, it actually has got some growth on it, which is nice, and there's still quite a lot of green Kikuyu in there, so I don't think it'll be long till this wakes up. Give it another 3-4 weeks and this will start waking up. We'll probably get into renovations on this area just here. Like I said, I still got to sort of the bore, just getting some quotes at the moment, and then we can install some irrigation once we get that bore. So we'll put irrigation in probably in this area, down the Gulf. Well, we'll do everything. We'll go nuts with it once we can do that. So next step on this lawn, we'll be spraying the weeds out in it. Now there is quite a lot of clover in here, I've realised. Bit of onion grass. Actually, I'll show you guys. If you guys don't know what onion grass is, let me just quickly show you. I'll find some. So this is onion grass here. I don't know how easy it is to see on camera, but it's really thin and spindly. Now, if I pull some out, here we go. I should be able to see a little bulb at the bottom here, like a little onion. Hopefully guys you can see that properly. But that's onion grass, so that's an easy way to tell what it is. Galahs love picking it out and chewing it, and it is a really pain in the bum of grass to get rid of in your lawn. So we'll see how we go with that stuff. I'm not going to deal with it at the moment. Maybe in the future I'll try to get something worked out with it, but yeah, onion grass. It's funky stuff. Wonder what it tastes like. It just tastes like dirt. Alright, well thanks guys so much for watching, really appreciate it. Thanks for watching me when I was struggling with the camera and the battery and the no fuel and everything like that. At least we got something done today. Appreciate you, really excited for more projects that are coming up here, but I'll see you guys in the next vid.